Hello friends, today we are going to do the unboxing of Honda Activa HET, that's 2014 model cylinder kit. So currently the price shows 3490 as of 2024, and the contents is given here: cylinder, piston, sorry about the background noise, overhead connector head. So all these contents, just let me open the box. So these are the packing of the cylinder head. What else we get? So this is the cylinder. And this appears to be the piston. Blade,
blue color packing. Open the cake.
Okay, so you can see the cylinder head itself. It's a standard size cylinder. So once you do the rebuild, you'll be getting around I think it's new bike, completely new vehicle. So I would advise you to maintain the engine oil adequately and change it around 2000 kilometers as per my experience. You'll have a very good life of engine. This is the piston. You will have markings on the piston, on the valve side and the engine side. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like it, please like it. Thank you. Have a nice day.